set of African Nazarene University students who left the country 3 months ago for an exchange program in the United States are back. The 5 students have lauded the institution for the opportunity, even as they express confidence in the skills and knowledge they've acquired from different universities, promising to leverage in the techniques to impact the community for prosperity.
The arrangement that African Nazarene has with the Northwest Nazarene University, as it gives a good experience to the students, it actually concretizes the global, local world that we are in. As we think global, we act locally, which is a very, very good experience that brings the cross-cultural interaction that is very, very important in learning. Education
turns the world into a global village. So there are some of our students who may never get a chance to go to the United States. But by this team going to the United States, when they get into classes with those who have not gone there, they are sharing the global experience.
This exchange program has been able to, build my character and build my, education portfolio, because now I can say that indeed I have an international experience out there. And just as Dr. Roche here said, indeed the world is a global village when education is involved.
We're looking forward to bigger and better things to come with this. It's giving them, I believe, that global experience, that ability to relate with people from across cultures and be able to integrate into different kinds of situations. So we feel this is a win-win for both our universities, for both our sets of students who get to participate in this, and we're looking forward to more of that in the days ahead.
And that story brings News Desk to a close. My name is Dennis Aseto. Enjoy the rest.